In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Excel to show only the information you want and hide the rest. This is perfect when you're working with a long list and need to focus on just a subset without deleting anything. Start by clicking any cell inside your data range. This tells Excel where your dataset begins and ends, so it can apply the filter correctly. It helps if your top row contains clear headers like category, date, or amount, and that there aren't blank rows splitting your data, because Excel uses the headers to place the filter controls. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, choose Filter. You're turning on filtering for your range, and you'll know it worked when small drop-down arrows appear at the top of each column. Those arrows are your controls for narrowing down what you see. Click an arrow for the column you want to filter. If that column contains text, choose Text Filters. If it contains numbers, choose Number Filters. This tells Excel what type of comparison makes sense for your data. For example, with text, you might look for entries that contain a certain word, while with numbers, you might focus on values above or below a threshold. From there, pick a comparison option such as Between. This is handy when you want to narrow results to a specific range, like amounts between two values. Enter your criteria in the boxes that appear, then select OK. Excel immediately hides rows that don't match and leaves you with just the entries that do. You can repeat this on other columns to combine conditions and refine your view even further. If your data is already formatted as an Excel table, good news. Those filter arrows are built in automatically. Just click the arrow on the column you want to refine. To quickly display only specific items, uncheck Select All to clear the list, then check the exact values you want to see. This method is great when you know the exact categories or names you're interested in, and you can select multiple values before you click OK. That's all you need to start filtering efficiently. Filtering doesn't change your underlying data, it simply hides the rows that don't meet your criteria, so you can concentrate on what matters. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified of new uploads.